instructions. Let me see. So in short, kids, we put the batteries in this and we charge the car with this cable.
Oh, UV cable actually.
UVS cable.
Yeah.
So how we did it? So at the back of the car, you take the end of this and then plug it in like that. Remember to turn it off that time. And then you can put this end to your laptop or a charger, and then you can charge it. So we already charged it, so it's all ready to go.
So,
and a remote.
Remote.
We just basically put batteries, 3 batteries.
It takes place of 3 batteries actually.
Yeah, AAA 3 batteries. Okay.
So let's turn it on.
So
wait, first we have to put it on the wall.
No, if you want, there's like modes at the back. So there's off, it's right now off. This is the floor mode. The floor is right in the middle. So that's the floor, and this, you'll hear like a noise. This is the wall mode. See? So the wall mode at the back, it sucks in the air. See?
Wait, let's try on the wall.
Let's try on the wall. First, let's try the floor mode. It's like at the floor, it's like a remote control car. Yeah, so we just turn it on.
Whoa.
Let's turn it on.
Whoa.
Yeah, see? It's fast. Whoa. Yeah, very fast. It's like a really fast car. Whoa. Whoa, be careful. Cool. Wow. That's crazy. Let me see. Yeah. Whoa. Wait, spin it. Let's see what happens. Whoa, that's so cool. That's like a tornado. Oh, whoa, stop. Whoa, look, you guys, look at the front. It's like blue, it's like eyes. Do it, see?
Wait. Look, when I do it back, you'll see like a red
lights. No, black. Yeah, red lights. And it spins. This is a fast car. Oh, I mean, it's really fast though. Whoa, this is so fun. Okay, I just want to tell you something. So kids, it doesn't actually like drive with these wheels because they don't even spin and stuff. You see at the bottom over here, see these wheels move. That's how it drives, not these wheels, these 4 wheels. And then you can control these wheels forward, back, anywhere like this. What?
Oh, spin it like a tornado. Oh, spin it like a tornado.
So controls the car, and you know how? This is the antenna. That's why it moves everywhere. Wait, Loki, do you hear a noise?
Yeah.
What is that?
Yeah.
Whoa! What? That's it right on the wall. What is that? That's okay. Whoa, did what we say? So kids, do you know how this climbs on the wall? At the back, when we turn it on to the wall mode, at the back you hear the sound, and at the back it's actually a vacuum. It sucks in the air. That's why it sticks on the wall like this, and then you can control it.